All right, so we're gonna go stuff today. It's like 5 minutes. It's really, really short. Wait, where's my iPad?
Let's see if I can join the show.
We need to talk about the first stage. We're gonna talk about second stage on tomorrow, which they both pretty easy. The first stage is gonna be looking like this. The homework is gonna be on the first page only, because I know some of you guys complain that you guys want to go trick or treat.
I don't know.
Say it.
Okay.
Yeah, you should go.
Oh, his mom is on the phone, and it said it's like mom's like on the phone.
Okay, so the first question here, I'm just gonna do the first question. You guys do the rest. So basically, if you have dy dx, so hold on a second.
Oh, I love this one.
Yeah, dy dx is equal to x minus 3 over y. So the whole idea, just make sure y and dy is on the numerator and x and dx together. So I multiply both sides by y and dx. So I'm going to have y dy. And I have x minus 3 dx. And then this is called separation variable. On AP exam, they'll give you 1 point just for doing that. That's not even like calculus. Make sure y and dy both on numerator and the x. Well, you can have y on the bottom, but make sure dy and dx on numerator, sorry. And the y and x has to be on the same side. So if you integrate both sides, it's going to get y squared over 2 is equal to x squared minus 3x plus c. Now you can integrate, you can get rid of square on both sides, get rid of 2 on both sides. So it'd be x squared minus 2x squared minus 6x. This is the x squared over 2, so that's the 2 can cancel out. Plus c, sorry. So y is equal to plus minus square root of x squared minus xx plus c. So this is the original equation. Now you just have to use the initial condition, which is x is equal to 2, y is equal to -5. But this one is kind of interesting because this one actually decide the equation to be a negative version instead of positive version. Usually it's a positive version. And then you can say, well, the square both sides is going to be 25 equal to 4 minus 8. 4 minus 12, sorry. 4 minus 12 plus c. And c is equal to 33. So you're going to go back and write down original equation. You're going to do negative sign because that's the only way to get -5. And then that's going to be x squared minus 6x plus 33. And this is the final equation at the end. And that's it today for everything. The only thing sometimes you have to deal with factoring. So for example, let's say number 4, you moved x dx to the other side, but you had to move x to the other side too. So it'd be ln of x over x dx. That one you have to be kind of cautious. Number 3 is kind of hard because sometimes you finding the value of c, you need to be able to maneuver. But number 6, that's kind of tricky. So you gotta be careful at number 6 because you might have to deal with something factoring. So all the question has a little bit different everything here. So you're gonna try all the question and go through all. The answer is on the next page. So there's answers here on the next page. And they'll answers right here. They're all very accurate. So there's no mistake on those. Only in the first page. Huh? Yeah. They're not that hard. They only takes like, I think Matthew's already done. Oh, Callie's finished too. Now you can go trick or treat.
I told you to take your kids trick or treating.
You told me I'm gonna go trick or treat.
like Marco, bruh. Or like one of the.
Elliot.
Oh, Elliot.
Y prime is the same thing as dy dx.
Yes. Good question.
Oh, it is.
Y prime is
It was
dy
actually
dx.
pretty easy. My bad.
Yeah.
My bad.
Well, it's only take you like 30 minutes.
Do you still have my cadence notes?